Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 277. So the first thing that you should do is first you want to open the Windows search bar, and then you want to search for command prompt. Now right click on the command prompt, and then select on Run as Administrator. Now type on the following command, and then press on Enter. Next, type in this command as well, and then press the Enter again. Once both commands have finished running, you want to close the command prompt. Now, you want to search for Roblox player on your computer. Right-click on Roblox player and select on Open File Location. Right-click Roblox player again and select on Properties, and then open the Compatibility tab. Now you want to enable the following option. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. And finally, click on Apply and then click on OK. So as an additional fix, you can check your internet connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi, you want to try switching to a wire Ethernet connection. If you are already using Ethernet, you want to try connecting to a different network or switching to the Wi-Fi network. After completing these steps, restart Roblox and check if the error code has been resolved.